street corn spaghetti. Yes, guys, I am here with another mukbang, and I am going to tear this spaghetti up. This is my favorite meal, and I'm going to show you how to cook it, and I'm going to show you how to eat it as well. So we finna twirl this spaghetti. I promise you, I'm just one of those people. I love spaghetti. Everybody knows this about me. I have to have it. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Share it, subscribe, and like with your friends. This freaking spaghetti. Do you see this? Oh my God. In the street corn. Oh my God. Yes, today's tutorial is about spaghetti, hearty spaghetti. Welcome to Rica's World, my channel. And yeah, we're going to get busy. I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know to achieve that meal. So for now, I cut up onions, bell peppers, garlic, and jalapenos because I like a sweet and spicy spaghetti sauce. It is so good. I love it. So yes, as you can see, I have it lightly with vinegar, olive oil, and I have it like kind of like on medium. Not too high. You don't want to over fry it. And I already got my noodles on, guys. What I did was I already had the water boiling, and I put the spaghetti strings in, which is angel hair. I have it on high. So you want to just keep stirring your vegetables. That's the best way to do them. You can kind of I juggle both because that's just me. I like to get it over with. I like to get one thing, especially if something cooks quick. I want to go ahead and get that over with, noodles, the spaghetti noodles, which is angel hair. But I'm always going to go back and stir. Like I said, it's stirred with light olive oil. All right, so as you can see, the noodles are almost done. They're pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and wash out my drainer so I can go ahead and pour them in and drain them on out. All right, guys, as you can see, I went on ahead and put the noodles in the strainer. And it's very important to rinse your noodles, your spaghetti, your pasta, whatever you want to call it. Don't mind that noodles sticking out. Sometimes I put olive oil in it, or you can use vegetable oil. It's up to your choice to kind of make it loose. But as you can see, some stuff still just stick to the pot no matter what. But yeah, you want to rinse because this is a very important step. You don't want to have all of that starch on your noodles. So this is basically it. You rinse off your noodles. As I'm always going ahead before you guys, but I put in everything that I showed you. Well, actually, that's what I'm doing now. I'm about to finish up already. So you want to just season it into your likings and then stir some more, actually. So once you get all your ingredients in, start stirring. Cook but not dead. It did look look when I was cooking. Okay, so again, this is what we're using. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down because spaghetti stuff, it will pop everywhere. Trust me. Just use my pan. This pan over there don't work, so I have to do it with a knife. You gotta do what you gotta do. Some people use oregano. I don't like the taste. It gives an awkward aftertaste afterwards. But for some reason, mushroom, I never really liked mushrooms. Like, not in real life. But let me tell you something. This stuff here, oh my God, it gives it. If you've never had it, you might think that this is a lot. But for me, I love it. It is not even that sweet. Let's just go half. I like sweet spaghetti. Sweet and spicy spaghetti. I keep saying sweet. The spice cuts it out. The spice takes away from that. And yes, the meat is still draining. I like it. Alright. One thing I hate. There we go. That's exactly what I want to see. That's what I want to see. So I know now I can go ahead and put in the meat. And always taste it, guys. Always taste your sauce. Make sure it's in the right position. The flavor that you want. Mine is perfect. I'm telling you. I'm going to get at a little stir. I only put a pound of meat. You seen how small the meat was. Like, I know I have vegetables. People be trying to be perfect on here. Do your corn right. That's it. So you know we already put our salt in our butter. So here we go. I promise you, you think this is a joke. When this boils, cut it down on low immediately. Watch this. Alright, let's see if you can see if it starts boiling. See? It's boiling. That only took 1 minute actually. So now guess what I'm gonna do? Turn this down on low. I don't know if you ever cook grits. We're gonna deal with this. Now, we're gonna deal with this. Deal with this spaghetti. Just wanna give it a stir. You know? Cook the next 20 minutes. Dang, I missed that sausage not in there. Oh, that looks great. I like a hearty spaghetti. So you need your butter. This is not the normal butter I have. It's quarantine time, so I had to just get what I can get. Garlic parmesan, paprika, and cayenne pepper, because I always love that spice with the sugar. So there we go.
Hopefully we can get this going. We're gonna go ahead and put on some butter. Put on the butter first. So let's see if I can do this with the thing I've been using with everything else. See how funny this is. Oh, and the reason why I crunch up the I do this part is because the aluminum foil, so the seasoning don't splash out everywhere like everything else. Yeah, that is what I should have had my brush. I mean, I really have everything. I'm telling you, I hate washing whole heap of dishes because I'm a person that clean after I go, as I go, and yeah, I don't really want to. But I should have got my brush. Swing this thing around the butter. Yeah, I told you, I figured out. One thing about me, I know how to fry the baby. So we're gonna use StreetCorn and regular corn. Okay, so you can see that stuff has been melted. Well, you guys can see now that it's melted by the time. The reason why I do it to the bottom is you can see, so I just stir it around, but I'm not going to turn it and keep doing all of that stuff. That's too much.
Put it in the oven for about 5 minutes. It's just StreetCorn. The purpose of the corn is all the flavors in. And it's just a little bit more buttery than your traditional top corn. And I say top meaning stove top corn. You can even make StreetCorn in a pot, honestly. Maybe I'll show you guys one day. That's how I show everybody how you make barbecue on this thing. Some things are just common sense. Or either I create my own stuff. I believe I do. It tastes just the same. It's great. Alright, so roll it up. Like I said, it's not gonna be a very long. You don't have to be a perfect fold. Some people fold this like this and fold it like that and then you just twist it in. I'm not doing all of that. But I just did it to show you guys. You know? 350. We're gonna pop this in for 5 minutes. Oh my God, I love, this one of my favorite dishes since I was a kid. I mean, who don't like spaghetti? Yes, I decided, I'm gonna start making stuff that I really love. If you guys want to see me make something, cook something, let me know. Oh my God. Let me tell you, this is good. Okay. I can't tell you how really good. Man, this spaghetti is wonderful. I promise you, it's so good. Mmm. Mmm. And I love the peppers that be in it. Where is that pepper? Find it. Do I supposed to say all that goodness? All that goodness. Man, I'm gonna tear it up. And maybe it don't look like it has. Oh my God. This is good, guys. Hard for me to put this freaking spaghetti down, and I know I got this StreetCorn over here waiting on me. This stuff is good, and let me tell you something. I do everything. I like a sweet and spicy. Everybody is different, but that's just what I like. That's just how I like it. Even my StreetCorn, I like my StreetCorn sweet and spicy. You guys are gonna be in love with this recipe. You're gonna be in love.